The overall goal of this HPLC procedure is to tune a parallel segmented flow column to enable multiplex detection.
This method answers key questions in the areas of health and well-being, environmental sciences, forensics, and any areas that require the analysis of complex samples such as biodiscovery. This technique allows for the comprehensive sample analysis while also yielding information about the chemical and bioactive natures of substances in complex mixtures. The multi-detection protocols also allow for speedy analysis.
This method enables the development of strategies for defining the chemical fingerprint of complex mixtures such as coffee and wine, allowing manufacturers to tell the difference between their products and cheap counterfeit varieties.
Initially, it might feel unorthodox not to send the entire sample to just one detector for accurate analysis. However, the analyte concentration within each flow stream is higher than the total flow stream of a conventional column.
To begin, set up the HPLC instrument with 100% milliQ water and pure methanol for mobile phases A and B, respectively. If an MS detector is to be used, add 0.1% formic acid to both mobile phases. Then, purge the HPLC pumps according to the manufacturer's instructions. Assemble the MS, UV-Vis, and DPPH detectors as per the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure the components are arranged appropriately, such that the dead volume in detector lines is